Every day, in virtually every industry around the world, Cognex AI machine vision technology is changing the way that products are manufactured. With advanced techniques like 3D sensing and deep learning, Cognex is a key player in the factory of the future, helping businesses manufacture everything, from potato chips to computer chips, quickly, more accurately, and at lower cost. Creating these types of visionary products requires smart, hard-working people with a passion for pushing the boundaries of technology in a stimulating and challenging environment where good is not good enough, where excellence is expected. And Cognex isn't just a rewarding place to work, it's also a great place to hang out, where you'll exchange ideas with other special people just like you. We even have a name for them: Cognoids. In keeping with our work hard, play hard philosophy, Cognoids take their work seriously, but not themselves. Whether it's getting creative at Halloween, or jumping out of an airplane with our chairman to celebrate Leap Day, or playing Frisbee on our dedicated field, Cognex culture is something you simply have to experience to understand. So if your passion for innovation is driven by your desire to make a difference, if you want to work for a technology leader with the entrepreneurial energy and excitement of a startup, if you want to be part of a team where anyone with a great idea can have a seat at the table, then you may have what it takes to be a Cognoid. At Cognex, our eyes are locked on the horizon, on the challenging and the new. We're not making history, we're making the future. Come explore a career at Cognex.